Okay, it just came in now.
What came in? It just came in. What came in? You people want to sell my house, Abi? It's my house now. You people want to sell. You started with fraud. Now you want to sell house. What have come in? Mr. Azu, what are you people doing?
For your information, that very platform I Bisten introduced to us has started paying. I received my 30,000 naira this morning. And I am ready to invest 100,000 again. And when that one comes, I will invest 150,000 naira.
Tell him, Mr. Azu.
This money is a lot. This is one I received yesterday. This is the 100,000 I just sent to Bisten. Now, this is it.
Hey, Chinik, you know that time that Bisten was saying, I thought I did not know. Bisten, you have got sent to. I want to invest.
You want to invest?
Yes, so.
All you need to do is you're gonna.
Bisten, no. Just listen to me now. If you want to bring him to this platform, count me out. Please send me back my money. No, I wouldn't want to be part of anything that caretaker is involved. No, I wouldn't want to have anything to do with him. If you are ready to put in caretaker, send back my money to me now.
Just be coming down, Mr. Azu. Caretaker, you are my very good friend. But at this point in time, no. I don't want to lose my big client. You know, he's one of my biggest clients now, so so you can't invest. Sorry.
But Mr. Azu, have I offended you in any way?
I don't care to know. I don't care to know. Leave this to Bisten. If you are putting in this business, I'm not part of it. Send back my money. Did you hear me? Send back my money. I don't want to have anything to do with caretaker. No. I'm telling you now, even if I live here and you collect any money from him, you pay me back my money. I've just warned you. I don't want to be part of this.
Mr. Azu, have I done? Did I offend him?
So sorry about this whole saga, okay? This is business. And in this business, I think we have to separate friendship from business. So Mr. Azu is one of my biggest clients. So as it is now, I can't allow you to come to the platform and put in that your 2 naira, 3 naira you want to put on the system. So sorry. So sorry about it.
Bisten.
Yeah, so sorry, I can't allow you.
Okay, Mr. Azu, I'm sorry. Mr. Azu, I'm sorry. Mr. Azu.
Listen, I'm very grateful. If we had known about this opportunity since, we'll be getting this all from caretaker now. I will not be owing anything in this compound. Hey, as in,
look at it. Like I said that day, you all are family to me. I want you all to consider this as my own little way of making up for lost time and also to give back to the society, you know, the poor masses. Oh my God.
Thank God we didn't listen to caretaker when he was shouting. That's how we would have missed this opportunity. Listen, I brought 5 people.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
5?
I told you I would bring people. I brought 5 already.
That's good. That's good of you, Mr. Mimi. Manisha, did you bring anybody?
I brought 10 persons.
10? Wow, I'm impressed.
See, Bisten, I've collected 50,000 from my husband already.
Are you serious?
I am, yes. Right now, I'm ready. I'm putting all of them. Yes. Hey.
See, the good thing is that you get your money back.
Yes.
See, fast cash investment is a place where you invest and get 50% of your money invested in just 3 days.
Yeah. See, Bisten, me, I'm going to invest 200,000 naira.
Are you serious?
Yes. I'll add my house rent money and all this money I'm using to buy Brazilian hair. I'm going to use it and invest.
Don't worry, all you need to do, just send the money like you sent the first one.
I'm sending.
So, just send your own.
So we're waiting for. I sent it.
Okay, I've seen yours now.
Yes. My own just went, that's gone now.
Both of them came immediately. That's good. Just expect your return in 3 days. No problem.
Bisten, thank you very much.
No problem. Say that they are doing system maintenance since yesterday. That's why the money did not come.
Listen, hold on. When I transfer that money to you, did you tell us anything about upliner?
But there's an upliner. I have an upliner. That's why.
Did you remember who asked if it is a Ponzi scheme and said no?
It's not actually a Ponzi. Like I told you, it's nearly Ponzi, but it's not Ponzi.
See, I am not in for this discussion. I thank God police is here. Let us go back to that place so that you tell police what happened to our money.
Mr. Azu, please. There's no need to involve the police in this thing. It's just system maintenance. They will soon finish.
Maintenance how? Listen, let's go back. Come and tell police what happened to that money. No, come and tell police what happened to that money.
You know the flower for that money.
Bring the money. Where the phone to the police what happened to our money? According to him. Officer, that is him. We all paid money to him. We'll send the money to him. Let him tell you what happened to our money.
Bisten, tell us now. What happened to the money now? Bisten, talk now.
Calm down. Young man, what really happened?
It's system upgrade, though.
You can imagine. What do you mean system upgrade? When we paid money to you, did you tell us that we do system upgrade?
System upgrade, sir. Caretaker, where are you going to?
My brother, see, my kidney is paining me here. This side now is paining me in my kidney. So I want to go to India and go and receive a medical treatment.
You give what?
What is your problem? Why are we holding him? Did we pay money to caretaker? Did any of you pay money to caretaker? No! So why are you telling us to hold caretaker? Go where you are going. Before tell police how you ate our money. Bring out our money.
Hey, young man, come back. Please, come this side.
See, look, officer, I will miss my flight. I don't want to miss my flight. I have already paid for the flight.
I know. Now, tell us, what happened?
Okay, officer. Since everybody wants to know the truth, this is what happened. I was on my own, no.
See, the reason why I came to you is because there's a business I want to introduce you to. It is called fast cash investment. See this fast cash investment, if you put 10,000 naira, you will get 15,000 naira. Yes. That is what I have been doing for 3 years. I said, let me introduce it to you.
If I put in 10,000, in 3 days I'll get how much?
15,000 naira. That is 50% of the money you invest. Are you serious? I've been doing this thing for 3 years now. Look, Bisten, I want everybody in this compound to do it, including you. But what you will do, and do you know what? If you make somebody come into the business, you will get 10% of whatever the person invests.
10%?
Yes. So if you go and tell one your channel to invest 10,000, you will get 10%. That is 1,000 from one your channel money. You understand? So what you will do is this: you first of all you test it and see whether it's working. If it's working for you, then you tell others. You understand? So if you have 10,000 naira now, give me. I will invest it for you. See, I have an upliner. Like you now, you are my downliner. I have upliner. As you give me now, I will give my upliner. My upliner will now invest it. Just try it. Bisten, I'm in this compound with you. I will not cheat you. Try it. Give me 10,000 naira now. After 3 days, I will give you 15,000 naira back.
Okay, this thing is too good to be true.
Bisten, I wear good clothes, don't I? Do you think it's all this NEPA bill, all this electricity bill that I'm getting money from? Is landlord paying me? That is where I'm getting money from. Am I working? Have you seen me go to work before?
Okay, I've heard you. Okay, I'll give you 10,000 naira. Provided in 3 days, I'll get my money back.
You will get 15% and 50% of your money. That is, you will get 15,000 naira. Just try me.
Where's that money?
When you're making investment, don't be thinking. I don't want to be poor. That's why 3 years ago, they introduced it to me. I invested. 3 days later, you will get your money. This is not even the main part. The main part is bringing people so that you'll be getting your bonus. You understand? 3 days later, I will give you 15,000. Okay. Don't worry. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is your money. This is the money you invested.
15,000?
Yes, you invested 10,000. Now you are getting 15,000 naira. You need to count it. The most important thing is you should get other people to start investing. We are not the only people that will be enjoying this thing. Yes. As it is now, we want to end poverty so that other compound people too, they can enjoy. But you know that if I go and tell them now that I'm the person that is doing this business, they will say no, especially Mr. Azu.
Yes,
so what will happen is that you will be the person fronting the business. You will tell them that it's your business, that this investment is your own, that it came from UK. So when they now send you the money, you will now give it to me. I will now invest it. And I will now give you their money. They will be sending it from UK. They will be sending it from UK. Don't worry.
Oh my God!
This one now, you will reinvest it.
No problem. See, seeing is believing. I have seen. I will convince people to join.
But you don't have to let them know that I'm in support of this business. I will be doing no. You cannot bring this business to our compound. But they will not know that it's me that is doing the business. Don't let anybody know.
No problem.
This business is going to make you rich.
Our business.
Make us rich. Everybody you bring. If you bring one person, you have 1,000. You bring one person, you have one. So if you bring 100 people, you have 100,000. You have blue.
No
so
problem.
Give me this one now. See this 15,000 naira now. I will reinvest it for you. You will get another 50% of 15,000 naira.
Okay, doesn't matter.
This is the money you. But I will reinvest it for you.
Okay.
So call meeting.
No problem. I'll call meeting now. Let me call the meeting.
Don't let anybody know that I'm in support.
No problem.
And you will not see. Look, when they send you money, you will not send it to me. You will give me cash. You go and withdraw it and give me cash in cash like this now. Don't send me money.
Okay.
Don't send me money. Give me cash. Cash.
No problem. I understand.
Call meeting.
No problem.
I'm in support of it, but I will do as if I'm not in support.
No problem.
Don't let anybody know that me and you.
Okay, I'll take her. See money. So that was what happened.
Calm down. So you mean the money all these people gave to you, you gave it to this man?
Yes, I gave all the money to him.
Madam, did you pay money to him?
I paid to Besten now. Hey, what you like tell my husband now?
You have an evidence.
See my evidence, see my debit alert. Oh God, I paid to him 50,000.
So all of you paid money to him, eh?
Yes.
Young man. So where is the money all these people paid to you?
Oh, officer, seriously? I gave the money to caretaker.
He did not give me money. Look, when he come here with Ponzi, Abi, whatever they are calling it, I told him that this thing is scam. Mimi, did you pay money to me?
Didn't pay to you.
Mr. Azo, did you pay money to me? Did you, any of you pay money to me? Did I not tell you that this thing is scam? Did I not tell you that it's scam? When you were, did I not warn you? I nearly called landlord. But landlord travel. I said, don't worry. When landlord come back, I will inform landlord so that landlord we remove this ban from this place. I knew that this thing was scam. He is now coming back to tell me that, did I support you people? Besten.
Did anyone witness when you were giving him the money?
Witness? Officer, there was no witness.
Oh, there was no witness. Officer, you have heard it. He paid money, there was no witness. But at least now I'm traveling. All of you are witnessing it. You are witnessing me traveling. I'm traveling. Mr. Azo, I told you. I told you that I'm transparent. You say it's a lie. I told you don't to invest in this thief or something. You went and invest. Now look at it. Look at the money that you are losing. All these people now, they have lost their money. When caretaker will tell you something, you will not listen. You have hear him. You hear him, there is no witness. But at least me, you are seeing, you are my witness that I'm traveling. At least I'm traveling to India now and you're witnessing it. Let me go and treat my kidney. Here, it's paining me. I am going. Bye-bye.
No, you get the car.
Be quiet. You must be very stupid. Sergeant, arrest him.
Hey.
All of you, come here. Go back. All of you, go back.
Okay, caretaker. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 complete good months. We've not seen anybody who is living inside this house. Every day we keep on seeing this young man. Okay, you must surely cut this. If this is my life now, you come and cut it and go with the fees. Today you must surely cut these lights. What's the meaning of this one? Even your drink, this man has not brought to anybody. Let's see what will happen today.
Okay, caretaker, how can somebody be paying for another person's light? And the person will be sneaking in at night to use the light. Is that okay? I don't like that too.
If it's somebody's burial money, you will chop it.
You see
Somebody's burial money, you will chop it. Every day this compound is dirty. Whenever it is time to clean the compound, they will say he's not in the house. Where is he? Is he a spirit?
I don't know.
I think you people have finished talking. As you can see, I have collected that woman fuse. I'm not joking today. Oh. Today, anybody that does not pay electricity bill, I'm going to collect the person fuse.
You better do.
The person should just bring out his fuse. Me, I don't want to talk too much. Before they say that caretaker is doing like this, caretaker is doing like this. Me, I don't want it. You will see me in action today. Please, you people just allow me, let me do my job.
You're waiting.
Oga, what did you say is doing you?
See, bros, we all know that I'm not the person that rented this apartment, you understand? It's my friend. So for the past 4 months now, he has not been around. So he just came back yesterday night, and right now he is preparing to work. So the fact is that there is no cash right now. You understand? So just calm down.
Just imagine. Imagine.
So you look all of us. You calm down, look all of us like this. We look like mumu. We look like children in your eye. The person that owns this house, this is about 6 months since he rented this house. He did not even come through the caretaker. He went to landlord to go and pay his rent.
Bypassing protocol. Bypassing protocol. Very bad.
Do something.
And we have not used our kuro eye like this to see him before. It's only you that we used to know. But we don't even know whether the person is doing yahoo. Eh? What are you people using the apartment to do? It's only you that used to come here every time you tell us, I'm not the person that rent this house, so the person that rent this house is my friend. He went to work, he will soon come back. When he come back, see today, that thing will end. I think you said he come back yesterday. Just imagine. He even came back yesterday. He did not even say let him come and greet his compound people. So he's too big for us. He's too big to come and greet us. He's doing like this, I think he's doing like this for us, Abi. Say today, just give me your fuse. Let me move away from here. As you can see, I have started collecting other people's fuse. Anybody that does not pay electricity bill, I will collect the person fuse. So me, I don't want to talk too much. Because as you are now, the next thing now, I think he's inside there. The next thing now, if you people don't give me this thing, I will beat you. Ask them, oh, ask them. I will beat the hell out of you. Forget your belly. Leave your belly. Your belly has nothing to do with me beating you.
Bros, calm down now. It has not gotten to this extent now. Who pay you your money?
Okay, just go inside there, call the person out, let the person come and pay us. If the person don't pay us, give us your fuse. Or receive the beating of your life. Because me, I'm ready for police brutality. If you don't give me this fuse now, I will give you. Ask them, oh. Ask them.
Come. Who are those people making that noise there?
It's noise we are making. Hey, Atalama, can you imagine? Can you imagine?
So he has the guts to tell us that we are making noise.
No, you will sit down inside and tell us you are making noise.
Imagine.
You're a fool. Big fool.
Nonsense, man. Come out here. Come out here. Let us see you.
We are making noise, Abi. Oh yeah, let him come out. We will beat him today. Huh? Say today, we will beat him.
Yes.
We used to beat people in this compound though.
Yes.
We will beat him today. Who is he? Who are you? Who are you? Who farm you? Where the year is this? How do you farm? Who ban you? Yeah. Who is he?
I don't know.
Who is he? Who is he to be telling us that we are making noise in this compound? We will beat them today. We collect their views. Who is he? Who is he? That somebody cannot see. He's doing like this, doing like this, doing like this. Who is he? Who is he? Who is he? Who? Who is on the love side?
Look at the idiot.
I want to know. I am on the Lord.
Come back here. Come back here.
I want to know.
Caretaker.
Base 10.
My able caretaker. My able caretaker.
You have noticed that there is no water in the compound.
Yes, I was about going to. Oh, is that fuel?
It's fuel. It's 2 liters. You know that I have increased fuel.
Yes.
Fuel is now 160 naira. To buy 2 liters now is 320 naira. 2 liters.
What's happening in this country, sir?
My brother, me, I don't know. I don't know. We just came out from Corona. The next thing they just do it is to increase everything, increase tax, increase fuel, increase power this
Tariff. That one is very painful.
This government is wicked. This thing is witchcraft. This thing is not government.
Don't mind them. So did you later buy the phone?
I bought to worry. There will soon be water in the house. But then I wanted to tell you something.
Okay.
You know, that time we came back from the hospital that day, you were telling me that that clothes that I gave to you, that you want to return it. You want to wash it and return it.
Yes.
Return it. I have decided now that any clothes that you borrow from me, just take it.
Are you serious?
Yes. All those clothes that you used to borrow from me, carry them. Carry them. Do you have shoes?
Shoe. No.
And I have a lot of shoes in my house that I'm not even using. Let me give you shoe so that you can also wear shoe. It's not only me that you should be wearing shoe.
Are you serious?
We rise by lifting others.
This thing you have said now, it has given me so much joy. As a matter of fact, like I said earlier on, I am suddenly behind you. You will remain the caretaker of this compound. Me behind you.
I want you to be behind me.
I'm behind you.
Because you know that had it been that we succeed in getting this house now,
yes,
you would have been the caretaker.
Yes, you told me that time.
You are my assistant caretaker.
I like that part.
Come, let me give you shoe. Come and collect shoe. Landlord, welcome. As you can see, I am taking care of your compound very well. And I'm not just taking care of the compound, I'm also taking care of the tenants. Am I not taking care of you people?
you are trying.
You see? I'm even feeding them. I'm feeding them. Am I not feeding you people?
Yes.
I'm feeding them. I'm giving them food. Like this afternoon now, I fed most of them. Some of them, I'm giving them clothes to wear. Am I not giving you people shoes and clothes?
You're also trying.
You see? I just want to let you know that I'm a good caretaker. There is no need to come and start changing caretaker. I'm taking care. Even yesterday you called me. I said, this is a very short notice. I cannot come and gather them together to come and contribute money to buy food and drink to welcome our landlord. So I took it upon myself to buy this chicken and this wine. This wine is very expensive. I say, how can a caretaker just be there? What is my job? My job is to take care of things when things are not taken care of. So I use my money to personally buy the chicken and the drink. So you are welcome. I'm taking care of your compound very well. There is no need to change caretaker. Is there any need?
No need.
Caretaker, that's okay. I heard you. You know, I called you yesterday, and there's a new development. Power has changed hands. That is why I ask you to gather all my tenants.
Landlord, is it necessary?
Yes, it is necessary. Caretaker, you have been paying your electricity bill to Power Holding Company of Nigeria. But power has changed hands. So, you shall be paying your electricity bill to Enugu Distribution Company of Nigeria. Because that is where the power of this compound will be coming.
Okay. That is a very good development.
So that is the information I have for all of you.
As you people have heard him,
Yes.
we will now be paying to Enugu Distribution Company,
Right.
not Power Holding Company of Nigeria.
No problem.
Power have changed hand.
Oga Landlord, we've heard what he said. I have one question. What about the leadership of this compound? I mean the caretakership.
In that aspect, nothing has changed so far. He still remains the caretaker. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to take my leave.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, this drink, I bought drink for you. Just for you, with my money, personally. Nobody contributed the money. I used my money to buy drink for you.
No, I don't take this for now. You know, I've just been discharged from the hospital. I'm still on medications. So I don't take this for now.
It's okay. Right. I understand.
Thank you very much. I take my leave.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good landlord.
Yes.
Best landlord you are seeing there.
I think now that landlord has gone, and let us just go into drinking. Jesus. Lord of Nebuchadnezzar.
What do you want to do?
Jessica, why are you hitting me now? I thought the drink was for us, so we need to drink it. Is that not so?
You want to drink it? Eh? Free drink.
Caretaker, is it not for us?
I don't know.
And you, Wanyocha, you are owing me.
How?
You are asking me how? Yesterday, did I not buy you ice cream and pizza? Eh? And cake? Yes. Did you pay me?
Yes, you did, but I didn't ask you to.
So I bought you free pizza and ice cream. As in how? Are you bankrolling me? Eh? My sister, you are owing me. And when I will collect that money, I will collect it double. You are owing me. Just know that you are owing me. Give me your phone.
My phone?
See, Jessica, if you talk rubbish now, I will scatter your teeth for you. Go and look for my money and give me your also. Yeah? One euro. Go inside and bring my own money.
How?
Yesterday, did I not buy you rice? I bought this girl rice with this woman. You are seeing here with rice and salad.
They asked you to buy me food. I beg you.
Oh, you did not ask me to buy rice for you, and I buy rice for you. When I know your mercy, why I am good Samaritan. You did not ask me to buy you food, and I did not collect money.
Caretaker, what kind of embarrassment is this? Caretaker, this is unfair.
Yes, so I'm saving somebody's wife. Oh,
when you bring my money, this your wig, you come and take it. That is how we are going to be. And you, base 10. Go and get my clothes that I give you.
Caretaker, I thought you really gave me those clothes and shoes now.
I dash you clothes. As what? As Gabbana, Gucci, that I am. Eh? I am Nike. Come on, will you go and get my clothes for me? You are telling me you dash me clothes. So somebody tell you that I will dash you clothes, you will agree. Wait, my friend, will you go and give me my shoe and my clothes?
Caretaker, stop all the things you are doing. You cannot buy clothes for somebody or that's somebody something. You're telling him to give it back. What kind of woman are you?
Oh!
Wait. Did you people see that?
See what?
You people did not see that.
No!
Yeah? Replay it. Replay that thing. Or your watch. Pause it. Now, have you seen it? You saw it, Abi? Mr. Azu, you eat my chicken.
Watch out!
Yeah! Hey! Vomit it! Vomit it! You kill him! Mr. Azu will not eat my chicken.
You kill him!
You kill him! Let him die! He will not eat my chicken.
Leave him alone now!
Hey! What are you doing? Hey! Go on, make a man away from there. Nobody will eat my chicken. Vomit my chicken! Vomit my chicken!